Alright guys, in this video we are going to talk about Saurabh Mukherjee's recent stock pick. The name of the stock is Galaxy Surfactant. So in this video we are going to talk about the Galaxy Surfactant, which is the recent stock pick. So let us briefly understand what Galaxy Surfactant do. So first of all, this is a company which makes chemicals, specialty chemicals more specifically. Now its business is very globally diversified. From India they make 35% of the revenue, rest of the world 33%, and Middle East and Africa also this company does a lot of business. So this company is mainly into two segments of the work. One is performance surfactant and the other category is specialty care surfactant. In the performance surfactant, it has 61% of its revenue, and from specialty chemical 39% revenue contribution is there. Now if we see the stock chart of Galaxy Surfactant in this year, from 2021 1st Jan till today, this stock has zoomed 50% almost. Currently it is trading at a 37.9 P multiple and the current market price is 3061 rupees as of today. Now let us understand what all things this company are involved with. First of all, it prepares different types of the 205 more product category this company has, and its revenue actually comes from 80 different countries. So you can understand it's a very well diversified geographically speaking. So if you see their revenue growth, that has grown at a rate of 10.9% CAGR, while the PAT, which is profit after tax, in last 10 years has increased in a mind-boggling rate of almost 20% CAGR. So what exactly this company do? So as I said before, this company makes surfactant, which is essential for making lotion, hand moisturizer, and different other type of perfumes and shampoos, and that you can see. Not only that, there are hair care, skin care, toiletries, all lot of things as personal care product. All those products, this company actually directly does not produce any personal care product. It provides the raw material to different companies. Those companies actually prepares all this personal care products. So if you see, this company directly does not deal with the customer. It's basically B2B business. But this business, this company actually gives the raw material to some other company, which makes a product. I hope you found this information interesting. Thank you for checking out this video. I'll catch you up in the next one.